The BCA Green Mark Platinum Super Low Energy Certificate is the epitome of a building's sustainability rating in Singapore. This is the story of how a logistics center won this prestigious award and all 5 BCA Green Mark 2021 badges for the first time in Singapore's history. Designed as a green building, this logistics center of 59,800 square meters was in need of a super efficient air conditioning system. And it has selected the LG Multi-VI system, a next-generation HVAC featuring an advanced AI engine. The LG Multi-VI uses AI to adapt to the environment, lowering its energy usage without compromising comfort. If you peek into the body of the LG Multi-VI system, you will find a proprietary dual inverter compressor system with high-pressure oil return technology, engineered for exceptional durability and efficiency. You will also find a heat exchanger, enlarged by more than 10% for accelerated cooling response times. And most importantly, you will find a state-of-the-art AI engine called AI Indoor Space Care. Using machine learning, AI Indoor Space Care identifies adjacent units and defines them as virtual groups. It automatically turns on and off according to the load to achieve balanced temperatures for space comfort while keeping energy usage in check. To further enhance the system, the LG Coefficient of Performance Monitoring System offers its end users continuous tracking of actual operating efficiency in real time. The Multi-VI system also features a set of dedicated power meters to precisely measure and record actual energy consumption during operation. Performance data is automatically recorded and securely stored for up to 3 years for long-term analysis, reporting, and efficiency management. LG's partners are recognizing its innovation in HVACs, calling the system a game changer for making buildings more sustainable.
The LG Multi-VI HVAC is an outstanding system. It exceeds all my expectations, and I will gladly recommend LG for any development project.
Efforts have paid off as the facility has achieved the Green Mark Platinum Super Low Energy rating, the highest level of the BCA's Green Mark certification program.
We are proud to achieve the BCA Green Mark certification. The LG Multi-VI system is a game changer that should be at the top of the mind for any developer in Southeast Asia.
As the world learns to deal with climate change, the demand for energy-efficient HVAC systems will rise.
At LG, innovation is key. It allows us to satisfy the needs of our clients who need energy-efficient HVAC solutions.
With the Multi-VI, LG is looking to lead the HVAC revolution in Southeast Asia, where sustainable building initiatives are gaining traction in countries such as Indonesia and Malaysia. LG Multi-VI, for a smarter, greener future.